How to save archived stories on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can save archived stories on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, what are archived stories? Archived stories are basically the type of stories which you've already uploaded in the past, and Facebook automatically archives them so that if you want to find them later in the future, you can go ahead and then look back and find those. And what if you want to download those to your own phone, which is your own story? So for that, you can just try to open the Facebook application. Then just come to this profile page here. Over here you should be able to see a couple of details where you can just tap the three dots option and go to archive. Now when you go to archive, by default you'll be able to see all this, where you want to simply go to story archive, and then you'll be able to see a list of stories that you might have uploaded in the past. And let's say that there is a certain story that you want to download. You can just select that story, and when you tap the three dots option, right here you'll find the option called save photo. When you tap on save photo, allow the Facebook app for your access of your files and media. After that, now if I open my gallery app and show you, that photo has been successfully saved. So because it is your own story, Facebook will allow you to download these stories which has been saved on the archive. Now it's also the same case for videos. If there's a certain video over here, you can just tap the three dots option, and then you can just choose to basically go ahead and then actually save the video as well. This way you'll be able to save archive stories on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.